Hey guys, T here. Today on Cool Things, we're going to strip some electrical wire. I've got some old strippers here. They're automatic. They strip about 6 different sizes of electrical wire, and they're really cool. I've actually got two of them. They're both old and they're both cool. So please subscribe, guys. Let's strip. Let's take a look at this guy. It can clip. This says 18 to 20, 16, 14, 12, and then it skips to 8 to 10, and then way up here, this little guy is 22. What happens is, you put the wire in here, this first jaw closes down and cuts the wire. The second jaw holds the wire, and then it pulls the piece off, the piece of insulation that you don't want. This one's made by Speedex. This is similar. This doesn't have markings on it. Cut, hold, strip. This one's made by Stripmaster. Really some cool old strippers. Let's strip some wire. Here's some electrical wire that we're going to cut. This one's number 10. This is 12. This is 14. This is 16. And I don't know what this is, but we're going to try it all out. Here's number 10. Looks like the biggest one here. Cool. Okay, let's try this guy. We'll put it in the biggest one. Okay, works. Let's go with 12. Let's try this guy. I'd say it was this one. Let's go with 14. Let's try it here. Let's go with 16. I don't know what this one is. I got a section that says 18 to 20 right here. I'm going to try it out. We'll try the smallest one here. Two cool old wire strippers, automatic. So there you have it. One-handed automatic wire strippers. 2 of them. Pretty cool things. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you real soon.